welcome back to the YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Nadia and today I want to show you a 2-bedroom apartment that has been reformed and it's totally new. It's very beautiful and I wanted to show you today we are in Pinamar. It's very close to La Mata where you have all of the amenities, you have the pharmacies, the shops. It's only 1 kilometer away. If you go to that road, you can go walking there, so you can do your groceries very easily. And here we have our building, which has been reformed completely as well. All of the exterior has been made, and it's very fresh, not only the inside but the outside as well. So that's very nice. And here we have a park for the kids for playing, and just across the road we have the National Park of the Laguna of La Mata and the Salinas. So it's very beautiful. All of this area is surrounded with nature and it's very quiet and nice place to live. And it as well it has very high rental potential. So if you wanted to rent this place out, it's very easy for you. Now we can go and see the property. What do you think? Let's go. So now here we are on the first floor where our apartment is located, and I want to just say that all of this building, all of the exterior has been reformed as well. So the floors, the walls, everything is completely new now. In this building you only have to pay 276 euros per year for the community taxes and 86 for the SUMA. And it's optional here, but you can sign up for the pool, so only for 45 euros a month or 4 euros a day if you're not staying all of the summer here. So you can only pay 4 euros and you have the pool, you have the tennis courts and the restaurant for yourself. And I think it's very nice, and you can use that as an argument for your rental potential, and I think it's good. So now let's see the apartment itself. So here we are inside. This is the hall. We have here a mirror, furniture to put our keys or whatever we want, the purse. And here is the first and main bedroom, which is very good space. It has a window, which is good because you can ventilate well. And the thing I like the most about this one is the views to the lagoon, because you are surrounded with green and nature, and I like that very much. I think that is a very good point in this house. Now let's go to the second bedroom. It has a connected window as well. So it's a little bit smaller than the first one, but it's still a very good space. You can put some personal stuff here and it's gonna be way more cozy. And now here with a sliding door, which I like so much because it saves a lot of space, we have the bathroom, which is of course again renewed and everything is new and clean. It's very modern style. I like it a lot. This sink I think is very original. And I want to remind you that this apartment makes a very good investment option because you have everything you need close by. You have the sea only 500 meters away. You have La Mata when you have all of your needed amenities, and you have the La Mata Lagoon. You are surrounded with nature, and this apartment itself, it's very great because not only it's reformed, but it's very good looking, it's very luminous, and it fits a whole family here. So here we are, we have an open kitchen, totally equipped. You have everything you need. You have the fridge, the oven, the stoves, everything is very nice looking. I think it's a good combination of white and black, so it looks very modern and fresh. And here we have a dinner table, so if you open it, you can fit more people there, which is very nice. Now, the sofa, we have air conditioning here installed, and the double glazed windows, which take us to this terrace. So this is a terrace. I think it's like 8 square meters, so it's very good size. You can fit your whole family here. You also have a storage space, and the best again is the views to the pine forest. And the best thing as well is that only 5 meters away from here you have the beach. You have everything close by. I think it's really nice area, and as you can see, it's very sunny here in the morning, so I think you will enjoy it a lot. So this is the apartment, guys. If you had any questions or if I slipped any information, you can ask me here in the comments, or you will have all my contact details here, so you can ask me directly. And yeah, thank you very much and see you in the next video.